So f of x equals natural log of x is an incredibly important equation and graph to know, function to know, and it's probably the one that y'all know the least. So it is the inverse of the exponential function. So if I drew e to the x, it would start over here and come up like this. So the inverse means that it's reflected over the line y equals x. So you should know that the point 0, 1 is on the exponential function. So the point 1, 0 is on the natural log function. The x's and y's all switch. So things you need to know, there's an asymptote right here. It is at x equals 0. There is no graph over here. You cannot take the natural log of a negative number. That's not a thing. The limit as x approaches 0 from the right of the natural log of x is negative infinity. That graph goes down forever. The limit as x approaches infinity of the natural log of x is also infinity because it does go up forever, just not very quickly. Some other things to know about it is that it always has a positive slope. So if I asked about the first derivative for the natural log of x, I would say it's greater than 0. It is concave down. So that means that the slope is decreasing. So the slope of the slope is negative. The second derivative of the natural log of x would be negative, and that goes with concavity. So the first derivative would be positive because the graph is increasing. The second derivative would be negative because the slope is decreasing. So the slope of the slope is negative. So what might help you is concave down goes with a negative second derivative. And that's about it for this one, but you do need to know this. Knowing what the graph looks like really, really helps with problems later in the year.